Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more domination matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, study the map to anticipate enemy movements and plan your strategy accordingly. Opt for weapons and equipment that suits your playstyle and complement your team's composition. Coordinate with your team through voice chat to share information and execute synchronized attacks. Always stay behind cover when possible to minimize exposure to enemy fire. Practice sliding, jumping, and crouching to make yourself a harder target to hit. Headshots deal more damage and can take down enemy faster, so aim for the head whenever possible. Use your ammunition and equip wisely to avoid running out during crucial moments. Anticipate the circle movement and rotate early to secure advantageous positions. Avoid unnecessary noise and movement to catch your opponents off guard. Stun grenades, smoke grenades, and flashbangs can provide crucial advantage in engagements. Prioritize finding and upgrading your armor to increase your survivability in battles. Avoid rushing into every fight. Sometimes it's better to hold back and pick your battles wisely. Familiarize yourself with the map's landmarks and location to navigate more efficiently. Use health packs strategically to maintain your health during intense firefights. Position yourself on elevated terrain whenever possible to gain a tactical advantage over your opponents. Constantly move around to avoid becoming an easy target for snipers and campers. Stick with your teammates and support each other during engagement for better chances of survival. Learn to control weapon recoil to maintain accuracy, especially during sustained firefights. Always be mindful of potential flanking routes that enemies could use to ambush you. Make use of in-game ping system to mark targets, locations, and items for your teammates. And that's how to win for domination matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.